Hi, welcome to another video. My name is Delaney. If you don't know who I am, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my wash and go routine on my short natural curly hair, the products that I use to keep my hair curly, and how I get this look basically. I've been getting a lot of questions on the products that I use and what I do to make my curls pop, I guess, the way that they do. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how to get this look being the hair, keep on watching. So I've been wanting to wear these like cute little earrings, you know, because my hair is short now and I can accessorize a little bit more with my ears because they're extremely visible. So I got these from Forever 21, believe it or not. This is just how I do my curly hair, or my curly hair routine updated with my short hair. Sometimes I just leave it so just in a little tiny fro like this, or other times I will, sorry, my dog's biting my toes. And then other times I like to part it on the side and have a little side thing going. Something else that I really enjoyed while having short hair is accessorizing. So I got these earrings from, where did I get these? I got these really pretty butterfly earrings from Forever 21 and I just thought it would look cute to accessorize with my short hair. I also got a new set of hoops because I lost all of mine. So got like five different sizes. I already took out the big ones and they're up there somewhere. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.